I have always been a hopeless romantic, and as one, I have always believed in the thought that sometimes, no matter how much you love someone, there might come a time when you would have to let him go, no matter how many memories you have shared with each other, no matter how much it hurts, until you happened. The thing is, you changed me. You made me realize that it should not be that way. You made me question the romantic in me. You made me ask, why would you leave if you still love me? Because ever since you happened, I started believing that love, real love, should be fought for. Real love should conquer all odds. Real love should endure. Real love should be greater than anyone's failures and shortcomings. This is why I will never understand you for saying that you love me and then leaving, because the love you made me feel was intoxicating. You took me high above the clouds, and for the first time in my life, even it was frightening, you helped me fly. You made me touch the constellation. You brought me to the sky. You drowned me with endearing words, and while between us I was the more expressive one, you swam with me in an ocean filled with hope, and we showered ourselves with dreams. You gave me happiness, and in a flicker of an eye, you were gone. You walked away and vanished behind the clouds. You walked away and left me afloat. You walked away and took my happiness. You were my happiness, but you left, and I meet never understand why, or at least why did you have to? Did you just wake up one day and realize that I am no longer the face you want to see? Where were you suffocated? Was I not enough? Was your love as weak as your faith in us? This is why I will never understand you for saying that you love me and then leaving because you never gave me enough reasons. You see, every day, starting the day that you walked away, I ask myself why again and again, and the question will always be more complicated than yesterday's.